I'll guide you through the process of splitting payments for your shopping cart into 4 manageable installments without paying a single cent in interest using PayPal's Pay in 4 at checkout. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. To use this feature, be sure to add items with a total value between $30 and $1,500 to your cart to trigger the Pay Later eligibility threshold. Select PayPal at the merchant's checkout. Click the Pay in 4 option to request an installment plan rather than paying the full amount up front. Review the instant approval decision to confirm your bi-weekly payment amounts without impacting your credit score. It's crucial to confirm your purchase total and repayment dates during the approval process to ensure you understand the commitment. Submit the initial 25% down payment to finalize the order and trigger the merchant's shipping process immediately. Complete the transaction within the same browser session to prevent your time-sensitive approval from expiring or becoming invalid. Once purchased, simply head to the Pay Later section in your PayPal app to track your remaining 3 payments and monitor your balance with ease. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.